Hi class, it's Mrs. Washburn. Today we are going to use Google Docs to make lists. And sometimes you might hear it as a bulleted list because we use these little symbols that we call bullets when we're using Google Docs or any word processor. So this is one of my favorite reasons to use Google Docs is to make a list of something. For your reader or for yourself, sometimes a long paragraph can make it hard to get the information really quickly that you need. So this is a nonfiction text feature that I'm sure you've heard about, having lists of things. So this is something that we're going to practice today. This first paragraph gives you some information, but your job is to put all of these words into a list on your Google Doc. So let me show you what your options are. The first thing you'll want to do is get your cursor in the front of the first word. So when I say front, I just mean on the left side because we read from left to right. We have two options for making our lists when we're in Google Docs. And the first option is numbered list, and the second option is a bulleted list. Though I want to show you that a numbered list can even be A, B, C. It's not always just 1, 2, and 3, because sometimes we can put things in order based on the alphabet. So all of these options we have here, and I'll kind of show you what they do in a moment. And then our bulleted lists are just symbols. So we can have like a checkbox, or an arrow, or a star, or just a little dot, or this little diamond. So let me show you what happens when I click on the regular one with just the little dot. So it puts a dot there. So swimsuit is going to be the first thing on our list. Then you can either use your arrow keys to go over, or you can just click in front of or on the left of the next word, and then you are going to press the enter button on your keyboard, or it might say return or enter, and it will automatically add a new bullet point and go to the next line, which is kind of cool. So now I'm going to go to the beginning of the next word, click enter, or press enter on my keyboard, and just keep doing that. Oops, I want it in the front, until I have everything in a list. I'm going to use my keyboard arrows because sometimes I don't like putting my hand back on the mouse. And we are making our list, which is really cool and really simple. There we go. So we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 things on our list. And now they're a lot easier to read than they were when they were just a long line of words. Now I want to show you, if I was to highlight everything that's in our list and come over here to the numbered list and change it, it changes it to numbers. Or if I was to change the symbols, they can change there. That'll put the stars there, which are kind of cute. Or if we want our letters, A through J, all you have to do is highlight it to change. Or if I click just on one of these and don't click the arrow next to it, the defaults are going to be numbers or the little circles. So that is your task. You can choose whatever symbol or numbers or letters you want for your list, but your job is to make this list with bullets, either numbers or the numbers, letters, or the symbols. Okay, that is your assignment for today. Go ahead and get to work.